smashing. So I just got done with 2 clients this morning on a little break right now, so it gives me a little time to film, and then I have a client here in a half hour. So today's video, we're going to talk about how to make a program for building muscle. And this is just how I write programs all the time for clients, and this is just one way that we could do it. And I use Google Sheets, so this app right here, you see it? It's free to download. Just got to have a Google account. But this we're gonna make a split. So the split is gonna be looking like this. I'm gonna hop on the computer and I'm gonna take you with it. So all right, so I'm just gonna hop on Google real quick, and then I'm already on where I need to be to make this program. So we're gonna keep it real simple, and then I'll obviously screen record. So you look at, I'm gonna highlight this first week. We're going to build that. So what we're going to follow is, here's the split we're going to follow. You see how I'm writing up here. So we're going to go 2 on, 1 off. And then we're going to go 1 on, 1 off. And then repeat again, 2 on, 1 off, 2 on, 1 off. So we want to train. We're going to repeat one of these exercises or one of these routines every 5 days. So now we're going to write it. This is what like week 1 looks like. So week 1 will look like this. So we'll do shoulders, arms. Oops. Shoulders, arms, and then we'll do legs. And then Thursday will be chest, back. And then Saturday, again, will be shoulders, arms. So if we count that, I want to make sure that's 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 training days. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yeah. 2 on, 1 off. 1 on, 1 off, 2 on. And then legs. So I'm actually hitting these twice in the beginning of the week. First week. And then we'll go right into, I had to think about that for a minute. We'll go into second week. So second week is going to be written like this. I'll just write it out. So shoulders, arms, legs with Saturday, Sunday. So Monday we're going to be off. So it would be cardio day. And then here, Tuesday will be chest, back. And then Wednesday, so we did 2 on, 1 off, and then 1 on for the Tuesday, 1 off again. So cardio. And then Thursday will be shoulders, arms. Friday will be legs. So again, we were off Monday, then on again, off Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, train again. Off Saturday. And then Sunday, we're on again, so I'm hitting chest. So you see how the days are changing of what we're hitting, so the frequency does matter. So last time I hit chest before this Tuesday, if we're looking at this. So if we count from Thursday, so we hit it last on the first week. So we go 1, 2, 3, and then Monday in the second week, 4, and then 5. That 5th day, we're hitting chest again. So the frequency of hitting that muscle, that area is important if we're trying to, learn motor patterns and everything. So this is important. So this split is awesome. So second week, chest, back, Wednesday off, Thursday shoulders, arms. Friday's legs. Saturday we're off, and then Sunday chest back again. And then Monday we would be off. We'd be off again. And then Tuesday would be shoulders, arms. Wednesday would be legs. Thursday would be off, so cardio. Friday would be chest back. And then Saturday would be off. Oops, why am I flopping right now? Off, cardio. So chest back, and then we kind of look, did we hit everything twice? So right here we hit chest back twice, second week. And the first week we hit shoulders, arms twice, and then we ended up hitting legs twice again. So it could be written differently. So Sunday could be, for the third week, we could hit shoulders, arms again. If we wanted to really, if I'm looking to see more growth, we could hit shoulders, arms. Or we could be off, either one. It depends on what you're trying to see more growth in, right? So I could the first week I could have put chest back there, so then when I finished that third week, I could have finished with chest back again. So depending on what are your goals, where you really want to focus on growth-wise. Right there, that's just how we write the split, and now we're going to go into the exercises. Exercises are going to be a little bit more complex, but I'm going to explain, and you don't have to follow them, but I'm going to show you how I would write them out, and the way I write them in sequencing. There's an order I write things in, and I'm going to make it stupid, silly, meaning easy for you to understand on how to program for yourself. And then when it comes to goal specific on what you're trying to bring up, what are you trying to bring up in an area on your body, and then what are you trying to bring up as in strength, increasing weight, where are you lacking? So I'll show you how to prioritize these things, and it's really cool. So make sure that you are paying attention. If you have any questions, make sure you do comment below. If you like the video so far, make sure you do subscribe, and let me know what you like so far, and please leave a comment if there's something that you're getting stuck on. But I just wanted to make this really simple for you. Okay, so we were just on like a little short break, had a client, was able to get a meal in, and then showered up, got cleaned up. So now we're gonna jump into designing the workout. So we're gonna jump into shoulder to arms, but on this sheet, I'm just gonna kind of go over the primary lifts for upper body. So let's jump right into it. Primary lifts for upper body. So I'll start below. So primary lift, we got bench press, we got dips, we got overhead press, and we got chin-ups, pull-ups. Chin-ups / pull-ups. Now with like bench press, dips, we could say that there is, right, incline press and decline press. And then for dips, we just got dips, but I like to have people warm up decline prior to dips, or to build dips up, do a lot of decline press. So those are our primary lifts for upper body. So bench press, incline, decline, dips, decline, and then we got overhead press. And we got, for pull, we got chin-ups, pull-ups. So those are our primary lifts. Now let's go into primary lifts. We're gonna do lower body too. Primary lifts for lower body, just because we're doing it. So we got back squat, front squat, deadlift. There you go. Those are our three, because I'm not talking like any Olympic style lifting. Those are our basics. that we should stick to when we're programming for our legs. And when we're doing upper body, this is what we want to stick to when we're programming for upper body lifts. And these are your primary big compound lifts, so you want to do these when you're fresh. Okay, now I'm just going to scroll down, and we're just going to we're going to build the workout. Shoulders, arms. I'm going to pause both this so I could start a new one. This is how I would write a program. Group in, exercise, and then I write a video if this is for someone that's going to train on their own. Sets, reps, tempo, rest. And then I just highlight it darker. Okay, so grouping, pay attention. We got A1 and we got A2. So these are going to be our primary lifts. This could go either way. Let's say I want to improve my client's overhead press, or I want to improve your overhead press. So that'd be your first exercise. So I would have them do seated. We go seated. BB is barbell, overhead press. And seated meaning supported, so I'll put supported, so your back is supported. And then I could pair that either with an arm exercise, depending on what your goal is, or sometimes I pair it with a chin-up just because maybe I want to build that person's chin-ups up. So frequency does matter in chin-ups, and in this case, I would have them do a, depending, let's say they want to build more peak with their bicep, so I would have them do more a supinated grip, so supinated chin-up. And then sets, reps, depending on what your goal is. I'm just trying to build strength, so let's go 4 by 8 to 10, tempo 4-0-1-0, and then rest 90 seconds. And then chin up, let's say they just started being able to hit chin up, so let's go 4 by 6. Then with tempo 4-0-1-0, 90-second rest. And then I would work our way down. So we're going to speed this up right now. Relative strength. We got functional hypertrophy, and we got hypertrophy. And then we got strength endurance. So relative strength is 1 through 5 reps. Functional hypertrophy is 6 through 8 reps. Hypertrophy is 9 through 12 reps. And strength endurance is 13 through 20 reps. Now, depending on your goals, you can dictate where you want to be. So for example, I like to sit around, when I train people, I stick around relative strength within relative strength and hypertrophy. So I'm always hitting 1 through 5, 6 through 8, and then 9 through 12. I'm hanging around there all the time, and what I'm doing is I'm undulating between these reps. So I'm going like this the whole time. So my body's just trying to adapt the whole time. Because for me personally, I want to get stronger, and I want to be able to lift heavier for more reps. Therefore, I'm able to put more muscle on naturally. So I've been getting the most results out of this way. And just really prioritize your primary lifts. Like I said, know your goal. And for your very first 2 exercises, A1, A2, just like I said, prioritize those reps ranges based on that goal. So if I want to get you stronger in overhead press, I'd probably stick at 6 reps. I could stick with 8, but then the intensity of that load isn't going to be as much as it would if it was for 6 reps. So just remember your goals. I can't stress that enough. Remember your goals. And if you need help setting something up too, let me know. But you do have this, so save this. You could write this stuff down. But remember the primary lifts, and for upper body and lower body, stick with those. Make those your priority right off the bat, right when you're fresh. Now, if you got some value out of that video, make sure you do subscribe, leave a comment below. And if there is any questions, don't hesitate, just comment below. And if you want to see videos, something with lower body or another upper body, especially chest or back, we could do that, we could build that. That was just an example of how I would make a workout for shoulders, arms. And then as you saw, the rep ranges, I sticked with 8 to 10 rep range. Maybe I went into 12 just because my goal for me specifically is hypertrophy, long-term goal. I'm talking long-term. So that's my goal after like the A series. The A series, I'm gonna focus on maybe a little bit something higher intensity, meaning lower in reps, higher in load, and just to try to bring up a certain lift. But that was the whole thing about when it comes to building a program, know your goals. And those rep ranges are gonna help you. Your primary lifts for your upper and lower body are gonna help you. All right, we reached the end of the video. Make sure, again, that you subscribe. And there'll be more videos just like this. And if you wanna see more, please do let me know. I'm always looking for different videos to make on anything fitness, health related. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of my lifestyle in there too. Other than that though, if you watch the whole thing of this, that means a lot to me. Just being a small YouTuber, those watch times really helps a lot. And I just want to keep growing my community as a strength training community, as in whatever it is that comes to working out, you know, we're going to do it. And I'll be trying different workouts here and there. You guys have not seen anything yet. For example, giant sets. Giant sets is torture, but when it comes to hypertrophy, man, that shit's fun. So again, I hope you stick around and let me know if you're new. Let me know why you subscribed. It means a lot to me. Other than that, again, thank you for the view and stay tuned for the next video.